Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyethemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje ukuze ngingaphuzi iy'ndaba engiwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ngakugcindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje laphana-ke ngilethele-ke ividiyo-ke yomunye-ke umlisa-ke laphana-ke odlulise-ke isexwayiso-ke laphana-ke kubantu-ke be-MK-ke laphana-ke nge-ANC na-ke laphana-ke waveza ukuthi-ke ayingathathwa-ke njengesitha-ke waphinde futhi wabeka nezizathu-ke yindaba-ke esho lokho. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi-ke wezwa ngami-ke phela into nje ngizodlala-ke ividiyo-ke uyizwele wena-ke lo mlisa ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina ngicela phansi bezwele le video ngena comment section kepha ushiye uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu, ngabe uyavumelana-ke yini naye-ke bese uyangixhasa ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke ngizobe ngiyifaka kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
One mistake we should not do, my MK, is to view the ANC as our enemy. No. The ANC is part of progressive forces. For as long as you still have members like Panyaza Lesufi in the ANC, don't discount the ANC. It's our best future ally. Yes, I agree. The ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa is enemy number one, who has hijacked the movement of the oppressed black people and sold it to the mutilator, the rapist, white regime, white supremacy. That's where Ramaphosa sold us back to, with those he has shared the monies with to capture the ANC. Evidence of this, sealed CR17 campaign bank accounts. Case closed. If you want me to open the case again, the Pala dollars, that's where evidence is. Nobody knows how that money came to South Africa. Nobody knows why it was not declared. Nobody knows why a foreign currency was used. To me, as a layman, that is clear money laundering. So the ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa remains an enemy that we should not even by a single moment view as a potential ally. It is not a party to support black movement to liberate our Africans who have been plunging into racism, ethnocentrism, vilification, hunger, desperation for so many decades. But let us not even by a single moment view the ANC as our enemy. That is our future ally. But of course, for now, let's deal with the ANC of Ramaphosa and decisively defeat it.